Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Recently I have created my new year makeup look. I hope you like it, and in today's video I'm gonna recreate the very popular and very famous beauty and fashion blogger Smitha Deepak's new year makeup look. I hope you really like it. So without any further ado, let's start the video.
A concealer. For the reverse of smoky eyes, I have used MN Generation 2 Full Coverage Concealer. Let's even off the base on the lid, and I am gonna priming it using a concealer. Once the priming is done, then I have lightly set it up with a loose powder Hilary Ruda in shade 04. Extra stickiness, I have used a cello tape here. For this you can use any tape which is comfortable and easily available. We'll stick the cello tape in outer corner as an extension of lower lash line. All we will use a Q-tip, or in easy language we can say earbud, to apply black eyeshadow. I have used SFR color nude palette from a local market. You can use any black eyeshadow that you have. Now we will dip the earbud in it and start smoking or applying it in lower lash line. With the cello tape, we will start pushing the eyeshadow outward so it makes a sharp wing. The same earbud, I will smoke it out in my top lash line as well. Yes, this makes an amazing look as the reverse of smoky eyes are on point. Seriously, as Smitha said, it's so quick and so easy. Touches, I will tightline my watch line by applying a Stay Quirky Kajal from Nykaa, wherein Smitha used liner instead of kajal. You may apply anything which is easier and comfortable. Liquid glitter like a liner on the top lash line. It's totally your choice whether you want to disperse it or not. I have dispersed it with my finger by moving it upward and outer. I have used my grey shade lenses of Diamond Eye, and for the final touch I have put false lashes from Amazon. Not the least, we are gonna apply my favorite lipstick of Swiss Beauty from Nykaa, and here is my complete recreated look by Smitha Deepak. From now onwards, this is my favorite look too, which is so easy. Let me know what you guys think of this awesome look by commenting below, and those who are new here, please don't forget to subscribe my channel for further new videos. Till then, enjoy your new year with this perfect look. Bye bye guys.